Thousands of workers stand beside huge ponds as the morning sun begins to rise. The water suddenly starts to move. Nets stretch across the surface. Within seconds, millions of shrimp begin to pour toward the waiting crews. Ice trucks line the roads. Conveyor belts never stop moving. Boxes are packed one after another. Before this day is over, these shrimp will begin a journey to supermarkets and restaurants across the world. It is hard to believe that something so small has become one of the world's biggest seafood industries. Every year, billions of shrimp are raised on farms across countries like Ecuador, India, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand. Together, they help feed millions of people every single day.
But none of this happened by chance.
Every shrimp in these ponds has survived months of careful care. Every drop of water has been checked. Every meal has been measured. Every small mistake could have ended this story before it ever reached this moment. Most people enjoy shrimp without ever thinking about where it came from. They see the meal, but they never see the journey behind it. Some stories deserve to be seen, not forgotten. What you are about to discover is a hidden world that very few people ever get to witness. Because before these ponds were filled with millions of healthy shrimp, before the trucks, the factories, and the ships, each one began life so small that it could barely be seen with the human eye. And that tiny beginning is where the real story starts. But how does a creature almost too small to see survive long enough to feed the world? Long before a shrimp enters a farm pond, its journey begins inside a place that looks more like a science lab than a farm. This is the hatchery. Everything here is quiet, clean, and carefully controlled. Every tank holds thousands, sometimes millions, of tiny lives that are almost impossible to see. The journey starts with healthy adult shrimp called broodstock. These shrimp are carefully selected because the future of an entire farm depends on them. When the eggs hatch, they release tiny larvae that drift through the water like floating dust. At this stage, they cannot survive on their own. Workers check the water day and night. They measure the temperature, the salt level, and the oxygen. Even the smallest change can become a serious problem. If the water is not perfect, millions of larvae could be lost before they ever have a chance to grow. The larvae are fed tiny living organisms that give them the energy they need to develop. With each passing day, their bodies slowly change. They begin to swim with more control. Little by little, they start to look like the shrimp we recognize today. But only the strongest continue. Every morning brings hope. Every night brings another test. The people working here know that success is never guaranteed. They are not just raising shrimp. They are protecting the future of an entire harvest. When the young shrimp are finally strong enough, they leave the safety of the hatchery and begin the next stage of their journey. But outside these walls, a much bigger challenge is waiting. The ponds may look calm from above, but beneath the surface, every decision can mean the difference between life and death for millions of shrimp. The young shrimp have left the hatchery. Now they arrive at the place where they will spend the next few months growing. At first glance, these giant ponds look simple. Calm water, open skies. Nothing seems unusual. But beneath that peaceful surface, one of the world's most carefully managed farming systems is at work. Before a single shrimp enters the pond, farmers spend weeks getting everything ready. The ponds are cleaned. The bottoms are prepared. Fresh water is carefully mixed with seawater until the conditions are just right. Then the shrimp are released. From that moment, the real responsibility begins. Large machines called aerators spin day and night, pushing oxygen into the water. Pumps keep fresh water flowing. Workers test the ponds every day, checking temperature, salt levels, and water quality. The shrimp cannot tell anyone when something is wrong. So the farmers must notice the warning signs before it's too late. If oxygen drops too low, the shrimp become weak. If the water becomes polluted, they stop eating. If the balance changes too quickly, thousands or even millions could die in just a few days. That is why every pond is watched like a newborn child. Behind every successful harvest are long days, sleepless nights, and hundreds of small decisions that most people will never see. Looking across these farms, it is easy to think nature is doing all the work. The truth is, every healthy shrimp depends on people who refuse to ignore even the smallest detail. But keeping the water perfect is only half the battle. As millions of shrimp continue to grow bigger every day, they all begin asking for the same thing: more food. And feeding them may be the biggest challenge yet. Every sunrise begins the same way. Before the first handful of feed touches the water, farmers are already checking the ponds. They are watching the shrimp, studying the water, and making sure everything is ready for another day of growth. Feeding millions of shrimp is not as simple as throwing food into a pond. Every meal has to be carefully planned. The feed is made from a balanced mix of protein, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that help the shrimp grow strong. But giving them too much can be just as dangerous as giving them too little. If the shrimp are overfed, the leftover feed sinks to the bottom. As it breaks down, it pollutes the water and lowers its quality. Soon, oxygen begins to disappear, and the shrimp start to struggle. If they are underfed, they grow slowly, become weaker, and the harvest will be much smaller than expected. That is why many of the world's largest shrimp farms now use automatic feeders. These machines deliver small amounts of feed throughout the day instead of one large meal. Farmers also collect samples from every pond, measuring the shrimp and checking how fast they are growing. Every decision is based on what the shrimp need at that exact moment. It is a daily balance between growth and survival. For the people who work here, feeding time is more than a routine. It is a promise to protect millions of lives that cannot protect themselves. When we understand the care behind every meal, we begin to see food in a different way. But even with perfect food, clean water, and constant care, there is one danger that no farmer ever wants to face. It cannot be seen with the human eye, yet it has the power to destroy months of hard work in only a matter of days. For months, everything has gone according to plan. The shrimp are growing well. The water is clean. The feeding schedule is working. From the outside, it looks like the farm is on its way to a perfect harvest. But every farmer knows one painful truth. The biggest danger is often the one you cannot see. A single virus or harmful bacteria can enter a pond without warning. There are no loud alarms, no flashing lights. At first, everything looks normal. Then the shrimp begin to slow down.
Some stop eating.
Others gather near the edges of the pond. Within days, the number of healthy shrimp can begin to fall. Diseases like white spot syndrome have caused huge losses on shrimp farms around the world. One outbreak can erase months of hard work, turning what looked like a successful season into a heartbreaking loss. That is why biosecurity is taken so seriously. Before entering many farms, workers disinfect their boots and equipment. Visitors are limited. Water is tested in laboratories. New shrimp are carefully checked before joining the ponds. Every small step is designed to stop disease before it has the chance to spread. There is no shortcut. The safest farms are not the ones that react the fastest. They are the ones that prepare long before trouble arrives. Every day becomes a quiet battle between careful planning and unseen threats. Most people never realize how close these farms can come to disaster. Behind every shrimp on a dinner plate is a team of people doing everything they can to protect life that depends completely on their decisions. Sometimes the hardest work is the work no one ever sees. After months of protecting millions of shrimp from every possible danger, the moment every farmer has been waiting for is finally here. Tomorrow, the ponds will open, and the success of an entire season will be revealed. The day has finally arrived. For months, every decision has led to this single moment. Before sunrise, the farm is already full of activity. Workers prepare their nets. Trucks loaded with ice wait nearby. Every minute counts because once the shrimp leave the water, the race against time begins. The ponds are slowly drained. As the water level falls, millions of shrimp begin moving towards specially placed collection nets. What was once a quiet pond suddenly comes alive with movement. Within minutes, the nets are filled. Workers carefully lift thousands of shrimp at a time, placing them into large containers filled with clean ice. Cooling them quickly helps keep them fresh and protects their quality during transport. Every basket is weighed. Every load is recorded. Every step follows a carefully planned process. There is excitement in the air, but no one loses focus. A single delay could reduce quality and lower the value of the entire harvest. For the farmers, this is more than collecting shrimp. It is the reward for months of patience, hard work, and constant care. Watching millions of healthy shrimp leave the ponds is a moment of pride. It proves that every late night, every water test, every careful feeding schedule, and every effort to stop disease was worth it. Most people only see the finished meal. They never see mornings like this, when hundreds of hands work together to bring food from the farm to the world. If this journey has changed the way you see something as simple as shrimp, imagine how many other stories around us deserve the same attention. But the journey is far from over. These shrimp have only completed the first half of their mission. Now they must pass through massive factories where speed, precision, and food safety will decide whether they are ready to travel across the world. The trucks leave the farm without wasting a single minute. Inside every container, fresh ice keeps the shrimp cold as they travel to one of the busiest places in the entire industry, the processing factory. Here, speed is just as important as quality. The moment the shrimp arrive, teams of workers begin sorting them by size. Large shrimp go one way, smaller shrimp go another. Every batch is carefully checked to make sure it meets the right standard. Next comes washing. Clean water removes anything left from the ponds before the shrimp continue down long processing lines. Some shrimp are peeled, others are cooked. Many are left whole, depending on what customers around the world want. At every stage, trained workers and modern machines inspect the shrimp again and again. Anything that does not meet the required quality is removed immediately. Then comes one of the most important steps. The shrimp are frozen at extremely low temperatures. This locks in their freshness, helping them stay safe during long journeys across oceans and continents. Finally, they are packed into sealed boxes, labeled, and loaded into cold storage rooms, where they wait for refrigerated trucks and cargo ships. Everything happens with incredible precision because millions of families trust that the seafood they buy is fresh, clean, and safe to eat. Behind every package is a chain of people working together with one shared goal: delivering quality from the farm to your table. Their work often goes unnoticed, yet it touches dinner tables around the world every single day. But the biggest journey has not happened yet. In just a few days, these boxes will leave their home country and travel thousands of miles, connecting shrimp farms with millions of people who may never know where their meal truly began. The frozen boxes leave the factory and begin a journey that crosses countries, oceans, and continents. Refrigerated trucks carry them to busy ports, where giant cargo ships wait to transport thousands of containers around the world. Everything must stay cold. If the temperature changes, even for a short time, the quality of the shrimp can be affected. That is why every step is carefully monitored from the factory until the shipment reaches its final destination. Days later, the containers arrive at ports in different countries. From there, the shrimp are sent to supermarkets, seafood markets, hotels, and restaurants. Some will be cooked by professional chefs. Others will be prepared by families celebrating birthdays, holidays, or simple dinners at home. Most people never stop to think about how far these shrimp have traveled. What began as tiny larvae inside a carefully managed hatchery has now become part of a meal shared by people from different cultures and different corners of the world. The shrimp industry does more than provide seafood. It creates jobs for farmers, hatchery workers, factory employees, truck drivers, engineers, scientists, exporters, and many others. Millions of families depend on this industry for their daily income, while millions more depend on it for food. Every box that leaves a farm carries more than shrimp. It carries months of hard work, hope, and the efforts of countless people whose names we may never know. The next time you enjoy seafood, remember that behind every bite is a journey built on dedication that deserves to be appreciated. But as the world's population continues to grow, so does the demand for shrimp. The question is no longer how to produce more. The real challenge is how to produce more while protecting the future of our planet. For many years, shrimp farming depended almost entirely on experience. Farmers watched the water, checked the shrimp by hand, and made decisions based on what they could see. Today, that is changing. The world's largest shrimp farms are becoming smarter than ever before. Across many modern farms, Underwater sensors now measure oxygen levels every second. Smart systems monitor water temperature, salinity, and water quality throughout the day and night. If something begins to change, farmers receive a warning before the shrimp are in danger. Some farms even use artificial intelligence to study feeding patterns. Instead of guessing when shrimp are hungry, cameras and sensors watch their behavior. The system can tell farmers exactly when to feed them and when to stop. This saves money, reduces waste, and keeps the water cleaner. Drones also fly over large farms, giving managers a clear view of hundreds of ponds in just a few minutes. Problems that once took hours to find can now be spotted almost immediately. But technology is not only making farms more productive. It is also helping protect nature. Many farms are using better water treatment systems, recycling water, and reducing pollution before it reaches nearby rivers and oceans. Others are raising shrimp indoors using recirculating systems that use far less water, while giving farmers even greater control over the growing environment. The goal is no longer just to produce more shrimp. The goal is to produce them responsibly, so future generations can continue enjoying seafood without placing unnecessary pressure on wild oceans. The future of shrimp farming is not about replacing people. It is about giving hardworking farmers better tools to care for every tiny life they raise. Progress means little if it leaves nature behind. The greatest farms of tomorrow will be the ones that protect both the people who depend on them and the world they depend on. After seeing this incredible journey from tiny larvae to global seafood, one final question remains. What does every single shrimp on your plate truly represent? Our journey began with a creature so small it could barely be seen. Now it has reached dinner tables across the world. But after everything we have discovered, it is clear that a shrimp is much more than seafood. Behind every single one is a story. A story that begins inside a carefully managed hatchery, where tiny larvae fight for the chance to survive. A story that continues through ponds where farmers spend months checking water, feeding millions of shrimp, and protecting them from diseases that could destroy everything overnight. A story that passes through busy factories, where workers race against time to keep every shrimp fresh and safe. And finally, a story that crosses oceans before arriving on someone's plate. It is easy to enjoy a meal without thinking about the people behind it. But every shrimp represents the work of farmers who wake up before sunrise, scientists who search for better ways to protect aquatic life, engineers who build smarter farms, factory workers who carefully prepare every shipment, drivers, exporters, and countless others who all play a part in this incredible journey. Without them, this global industry would not exist. The next time you sit down to enjoy shrimp, take a moment to remember how far it has traveled. Not just across oceans, but through months of patience, care, teamwork, and determination. Sometimes, the smallest creatures remind us of the biggest lessons. They teach us that great things are often built one careful step at a time, with people whose names we may never know but whose work touches lives every single day. Thank you for joining us on this journey from tiny larvae to global seafood. If this documentary helped you see something ordinary in a completely new way, share it with someone who loves discovering how our world really works. Stories like these become meaningful only when they are passed on. And remember, every meal has a hidden story. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop looking beyond what is on the surface.